Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the leveling leg in the Samsung dryer. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new leveling leg. The 4 leveling legs allow the dryer to be leveled on an uneven floor. It's important that the dryer has to be leveled properly. The dryer's movement during the cycle may cause damage to the exhaust vent and even more dangerous to the gas line. So if your dryer rocks side to side and the problem can be solved by adjusting the legs, check the legs and replace them if needed. To get to the leg, we need to tilt the dryer back, so I'm going to install the support at the back of the dryer, and I'm going to place it on that support slowly. So this way we have easy access to the leg. We're going to remove that single Phillips screw that holds the bracket and the leg to the base of the dryer, and the leg just pops out. This is the old leveling leg next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Now we need to insert the tab into the slot. Align that holes here and secure the leveling leg to the base of the cabinet with that Phillips screw. So now we can check how much this leg is extended compared to the other legs. And we're going to turn it in just a little bit. We're going to do adjustment later on if we need it. And now the dryer is ready to go upright. And we can remove the support. Plug the dryer in and check if it's drying properly. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.